It is pouring down. Oh God. The original plan, wild camp on Pillar tonight. It's now forecast 55-mile-an-hour winds, pouring down rain. That plan has now got scotched. I think now we're just going for a walk. I'm out with Rick, you'll be seeing him along the way. For now, come on, we need to get weaving. Grim, grim, grim. Grim, grim, grim. Yeah, so as I was saying in the van, original plan for a night on Pillar. I think that's now gone for a Burton. I think we're now just going to do most of the Mosedale Horseshoe, Kirkfell, Pillar, Steeple, Red Pike, Scotefell. I'm going to skip U-Barrel. I want to do that one all by itself. Camp on there one night. So yeah, Rick's here.
I'll do.
Yeah. Oh.
Off for an adventure.
Plan B.
A wet, windy adventure. We'll get up there and it'll just clouds will part and wind will drop.
It will be.
And we'll be like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
I can't see that happening, sorry.
No. Yeah, I'll spin you around. Have a look at that. Have a look at the rain. Just wipe that lines a minute. There you go. You can see that. That's what we're contending with. Anyway, it'll be good anyway. It'll be good. Cracking day out.
An adventure, innit?
And worst case, we're going to pick pub later on for a few pints.
Yeah.
What's the worst that can happen?
Exactly.
We're now just approaching head of Blacktail Path. We're going to turn right, head up Kirkfell, back down, and then we're going to head left up towards Pillar.
Yeah, you can see get onto the plateau there, can't you?
Yeah.
In between them. Little knot left. 587 metres. Pile of stones.
Summit, Wasdale Pass. Oh, man, this is brutal. Kirkfell's it there. Oh yeah, I'm turning around. Pillar's over there. I think leaving them tents back in the was a good call. I think this is the calm before the storm, to be honest. It's forecast to get even windier later on. Oh, Good fun though. Good fun. I was just saying to Rick, weird the things that stick in your memory. Probably, what, 20 years since I've been up here? And then, this gate. Somehow, just seem to remember that. And the fence. Heading up that way. Yeah. Probably what, 20 years since I was up here? I've got this, yeah? Light you off. I think we might be making an executive decision. Skipping Kirkfell. That's looking a bit exposed to me. Right, continue all around. That way. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. I think now we're just trying to find a bit of shelter just to bunker down and get something to eat. Replenish those calories. Then get out of this wind. It is brutal.
Maybe behind that rock here. Maybe behind that.
Up there. Whose idea with this? Unfortunately, I think it's mine. Oh man! Tell you what, I'm glad I wrote that in sense.
Oh, man, it's doing that.
Oh man. Nearly got to the feet there. Mental. Yeah. Straight that way, straight down into Wasdale. Still left? Yeah, straight down there. Yeah. 400 metres, going left hand turn. Straight down. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be the best option in this, mate. I think we lose it light now. We're nearly back anyway. Hubs. Hubs just over there. Down there somewhere. I think we're going to bail back to the van.
get his clean new wet clothes off. Of course, I think my only pair of pants are pretty short, so that's going to be interesting. We're going to be able to pub. So, probably next time you're going to see me, fine to me hand. Probably having something to tea as well. I'll see you there. Last one.
Right, well, that's it. We're at the pub now. Final pint number 4, I think now. But I would say, what a testy day that was. Oh man, mental. Blowing the gale. Absolutely. My waterproof's quite clear, I'm waterproof, and I am absolutely, but I was absolutely really went through. On the way down, what you've not seen is we were fording rivers, all the streams, they were in full flow. That got a bit treacherous at times. But yeah, absolutely mental. Absolutely brilliant. What a top day. Definitely my most brutal walkout, I guess. Not quite what we planned. I was all planning on all Christmassy, I've got my mince pies, my lights, my tent, but none of that happened. But yeah, I can only apologise. But I hope you liked that. If you did, like it, subscribe, that kind of stuff. See you next time. Bye bye.